Hello students, we are on chapter 10, 6 Foolish Fishermen. Okay, we have already discussed the question answers and word meaning and filling the blanks. So today in this class we will discuss about the exercise 4. What is exercise 4? Make the following sentences into interrogative. You know how to make the interrogative sentences? Okay, you can also open page number 61. The simple future tense. What is the structure of the simple future tense? Will or shall plus first form of the verb. Okay, we use in simple future tense will or shall plus first form of the verb. Okay. What is the first form of the verb? The base form of the verb. Okay. Walk, talk, jump, read, write. All these are the first form, the base form of the verb. So when we write the simple future tense, what we do? We use will or shall plus the first form of the verb, any verb, okay, which is given in your test. We'll do the exercise, then you will understand, okay. So, simple future tense refers to the time that is yet to come. We talk about, no? Okay, the time, it refers to the time that is yet to come. It has not taken place, it will. Okay, will we use the things which is yet to happen? We use the simple future tense that you have to understand. Okay, so we use will or shall and the first form of the verb to write the simple future tense. Very simple. Okay, we can read it and you will understand the text on page number 61. Okay, we have read in the lesson, I will sit in this boat. Will sit. Which form it is? Simple future tense. Okay. So how can we recognize with this? This is simple future tense. We use here will and which form of the verb here? Sit. S-I-T. Sit. It is the first form of the verb. Will sit. First form of the verb. So we can understand that it is simple future tense. So we use will or shall in the beginning to make the simple future tense sentences interrogative. Okay, so how can we make here it is asked, make the following sentences interrogative. How can we make the interrogative sentences? We use will or shall in the beginning and to make the simple future tense. Will or shall in the beginning to make the simple future tense. You have to remember, okay? So, now exercise 4. The question first one. You will do this work. You will do this work. That is the question here. How to make the interrogative question out of that? What we will take the first? Will. Okay, here. Will you do this work? We take the will or shall in the beginning to make the interrogative question. So what is the answer of that? Will you do this work? Then we have to, at the end of the sentences, what we do? To make the interrogative sentence, question mark we put. At the end we have to put the question mark. So the sentence is complete. Now the second one, B. I shall win this match. So shall is here. We take the shall, the beginning of the sentence. Okay. Shall I win this match? Shall I win this match? And question mark here. Shall I win this match? Question mark. Okay. Now the third one. He will come next week. We take the auxiliary verb, will. Okay. Will he come next week? The next one, D. We shall go to play on Sunday. How to write that interrogative change into interrogative sentences? Shall we go to play on Sunday? Shall we go to play on Sunday? So we have already said that we use will or shall in the beginning to make the simple future tense interrogative sentences. Okay. So next one, we can write by yourself that they will not do this work. They will not do this work. How to change that into interrogative sentence? We take the will auxiliary verb here. Okay, will. Will they not do this work? Will they not do this work? And at the end, what we have to do? Question mark. Okay. Now, exercise 5 on page number 61. Complete the following table. Here it is simple present tense already given in your textbook. We have to write simple past tense and a simple future tense. Okay. Simple past tense and simple future tense you have to write. So, past tense, what we use? The verb, second form of the verb. Okay. Walk. What is the second form of the verb? Walk. Walked. And third form also is walked. Okay. Walk, walked, walked. And go, went, gone. Okay. Play, played, played. Okay. You have to remember the verb forms. 3 forms are there. First form, second form and third form. So we will do the exercise here. Daddy walks. It is in simple present tense. So how to change into simple past tense? Daddy walked. And in simple future tense, will or shall plus the first form of the verb. Daddy will walk. Okay. Now second one. He goes to school. In simple future tense. How to change into simple future tense? That he went to school. Went. Okay. Go. Second form of go is went. And in future, simple future tense, it will change into he will go to school. Will or shall plus first form of the verb. Go is the first form. We add with the verb will or shall plus the first form. Okay, will go. Now the third, they buy toys. They buy toys. Which tense it is? Simple present tense. Okay, they buy. The base form of the verb. First form of the verb. Buy. So change into past tense. Buy became bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought. They bought toys. So in past tense, we use the verb second form. So buy, bought. They bought toys. And simple future tense, how to change that? Will plus first form. Same thing it is. Buy. Okay. So will buy. They will buy toys. Now the next one. I like to play. I like to play. I shall like to play. Okay. She plays with her doll. She played with her doll. She will play with her doll. Okay. So these are the way you have to change into simple present tense, into simple past tense and into simple future tense. Okay. Now the next one, exercise 6. Given below are some answers. Write their questions. So what we have to do here on page number 62, exercise 6. What we have to do? Normally we give the question and you write the answer. Here it is entirely different. It is okay. So here the answer is given. You have to write the question. Is it difficult? No. Very easy, no? Yes. So the first one is, already it is given the answer here. Okay. I will sit this boat. I will sit in this boat. That's the answer. How to make the question? Where will you sit? Where will you sit? The next one. Rohan will grow a plant in the earthen pot. Earthen pot means the pot, where we plant. It's called earthen pot. Who will grow a plant in the earthen pot? The third one. Sitara will go to her uncle's house. Sitara will go to her uncle's house. How to change that? How to make a question for make the question? Who will go to her uncle's house? Yes, we shall swim in the river. Will we swim in the river? Okay. He will go by train. How will he go? How will he go? Okay, that's the way you have to make the question. Now here, seventh one. From adjective from the following noun. Form the adjectives from the following noun. Okay, the noun is given here. We have to form from the noun adjective. That is what we have to do. The noun, anger. What is the adjective form? Angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Dirt. That's a noun here. And how to make the adjective from that noun? Dirty. D-I-R-T-Y. Okay. Air. Airy. Cloud. Cloudy. Bush. Bushy. Danger. Dangerous. Okay. The next exercise is make as many sentences as possible from the given box and read aloud. Exercise 8 on page number 63. The questions. What we have to make here? We have to make the as many as sentences possible. So the first one, how to make that? What is his name? Where are the boys? Where are the, when do they go? When do they go? Who are the boys? We can make in varieties of sentences out of this. Okay. What is his name? Where are you going? When do they, what is his name? Who is he? So varieties of sentences, questions we can make out of this. Okay. So, the last exercise which is given in your textbook, exercise 9. How far is your school from your house? Right? How can you reach your school from your house? You have to write in your own words. Okay? That you can make it in your own words and make a simple sentences and how you reach your school. Okay? So that you will do by yourself. If you want, I can give. Okay? My house is very far from my school. I reach my school by school bus. So every day my school bus comes near my house and takes me to my school. Okay, you can also make different kind of sentences and form how you go to the school. Okay, no need to write what I have given. You can also make your own sentences in with the simple sentences. Okay, so all the exercises you will write in your textbook with a pencil and the question answers and the word meaning you will write in your copy. Okay, and learn it. Thank you students for listening.